pretty cool. It's like a BMX bike. Yeah. A little bit of an uphill test. Oh yeah, that's more than enough to get up a hill. I'm not pedaling at all. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I am at Overland Expo West in Flagstaff, Arizona, and you're probably wondering, why am I wearing this helmet? Well, the reason why is because I'm at lectric e-bikes media event, checking out new bikes that are coming out that no one's really seen yet. And here it is right here. This is the brand new lectric XP Lite John Wick model. This is like their really high-end folding compact lightweight e-bike that's not out yet, but it's coming soon, and I got a sneak peek here at Overland Expo. So this thing's pretty badass because, for one, it's all blacked out. It's like a special edition. They call it the John Wick model because it's all blacked out. And it's a folding e-bike, which is cool. So if you have an RV or a camper, you can fold it up and it doesn't take a whole lot of space. It's a 20-inch wheel type setup, so the wheels are nice and stiff like a BMX bike. So that's pretty sweet. The real big selling point, though, is this thing has hydraulic disc brakes. Front and rear hydraulic disc brakes, headlight with a tail light. Not a lot of hydraulic disc brake bikes are out there under $1,000, so pretty cool. Another big selling point with this bike is that you're going to get two battery options. You can get the standard option, which is a 48 volt, 7.8 amp hour standard battery with a 45-mile range, which is good for any e-bike. Or if you want to spend $200, you can get the 14 amp hour battery pack with an 80-mile range. So you're essentially doubling your range for only $200. I think that's a really good deal. You have a quarter throttle right here, I guess they call it. So twist that, and the 300-watt motor in the back will give you power to go up hills and stuff like that. Or you can use the pedal assist mode, which is right here, up and down, and it has 5 settings for pedal assist. And like I said, it has a headlight, so if you hold the plus button for a few seconds, the headlight will pop on, and there it is right there. Serviceable headlight, just enough to get you home in the dark. And it also has a brake light in the back. Actually, it's not a brake light, it's more like a brake marker or a tail marker. It doesn't turn on when you hit the brakes. It only turns on when you turn on the lights. To turn it off, you just hold it again for another 3 seconds. There's a view of the hydraulic disc brakes in the back. Pretty nice. Look at that. You can adjust the tension back there. That's pretty nice. Again, 300-watt hub drive in the back. And here's the cool thing about the John Wick model. This has a Gates carbon belt drive. That's pretty nice. That's high-end stuff there. It's kind of unheard of in the e-bike industry to have a Gates belt drive system for under $1,000. So hydraulic disc brakes, Gates carbon belt drive for only $899. That is nuts. That's going to be a game changer for sure. And the nice thing about belt drive is these things can get really dirty and they still work. They don't have any oil, so your pants, if you're riding with pants, you don't have to worry about oily pant legs. So it's super clean, super reliable. The belts last way longer than chains. It's really an advancement in cycling for sure. And then they were saying that all the wheels come with the inner tube slime, so you don't have to worry about goat heads for the most part. I'll probably run the Tannis inserts because I just like Tannis, but that's a really cool bike. Very cool. It reminds me of a BMX bike. And then Mike over here has another model. This is the
XP Lite.
It's the XP Lite. It's not the fancy Gates drive, but you still get the 300-watt motor. In the back, you still get the hydraulic disc brakes. You still get the headlights and the tail lights. You still get the nice 20-inch wheels. This one is how much again?
$799.
$799, and you're still getting hydraulic disc brakes. That's pretty sweet. And a 300-watt motor. Again, you can upgrade the battery from either the
7.8
7.8 amp hour or the 14 amp hour.
$200.
For 200 bucks, so it's probably worth every penny. That's pretty cool. So yeah, check them out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Nice little sneak peek of these cool electric bikes coming out. I really like this black one, man. That is badass. I was just joking around, but if you're gonna call this the John Wick bike, then it needs to have some holsters on here for your John Wick pew-pews. So if you're in the market for a light, compact, powerful, long-range e-bike, I think now's the best time to go shopping for one of these, because the Amazon Prime days are coming up on July 16th and 17th, so you can get some good deals there on these bikes. Or you can go to the lectricbikes.com website directly and look for some bundle deals that they're doing also this summer as well. So go ahead and click the links below if you guys want to buy these bikes. All right, guys, take care. Have fun. See you in the next one.